If colourful and cosy is your thing, you're in the right place. I'm Helen from Home with Helen Co. If you've been following me over on Instagram, you already know how much I love creating a home that feels cosy, inviting, and uniquely ours. It's all about the little moments, the DIYs, and the personal touches that make a house feel like home. And today I'm beyond excited to take you along on a new journey here on YouTube. I love sharing quick tips, home inspo, and little peeks into our world over on Instagram, but there's so much more I want to share. Long-form content gives us the space to really connect, time to dive deeper, get into more detail, and really explore what it takes to make a house feel like home. Here we can take our time, share the mid-project wobble you never see on Instagram, and be a little more personal. I'll be sharing room makeovers, the real process behind all the things you see on Insta, the things that don't always fit into a 15-second reel. The messy, beautiful, imperfect process that makes a home truly yours. If you're ready for more inspiration, behind the scenes, and creative ideas for making your space more beautiful and filled with love, hit the subscribe button. I can't wait to share this new chapter with you, so let me know what you'd like to see. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Let's make our homes and lives as beautiful as they can be together. Love you, bye.